So in this video, my son-in-law has come out to help us. And so we are gonna take a break from the ramper room and we're gonna start tearing at this cabin. So we are gonna work on emptying it out because it's full of lumber and wood that we harvested from tearing out the bathroom and bedroom. Here we're going to tear out the windows, empty out the cabin so we can actually start tearing it down. So if you're new to our channel, we are new to off-grid and we are starting out in our RV, and we put an RV carport up there so that we can manage to make it through the winter easier. So please like and subscribe. Please leave us a comment as we go along, and our goals are that we can teach you as we learn to be off-grid. So please stay tuned. So we are going to get started. You will be parked right there so you can watch us, but we're gonna get started emptying out this room and then taking all these boards full of nails over to the trailer, denailing them, and then storing them for later. Found their tile. That'll be cool. We can do something in the new cabin with it.
Maybe.
So I'll show you what we've been doing. You guys have been watching us hauling wood out. So my son-in-law Jesse is denailing. This is the denailing station. This is the reclaim after it's been denailed. Maybe some wood we can actually use for projects. So we're trying to save what we can. So we have this whole little runway of wood. We have salvaged some foundation block that was underneath the bedroom. That's what we got done so far. The jackpot again. Found a whole bunch of switches. What's here? Okay, switches, electrical socket, whatever those things are called, receptacles.
Yeah.
Boxes. So they must have at some point planned on wiring this.
Yeah, I think so. I think they were planning on living in here.
Somebody definitely lived in here, and so did the animals. So we're tearing this wall out, and there's this beam that holds up the second floor. So now we're trying to figure out what holds up the beam.
Over there.
So we decided not to tear out any more of this frame until we take the second floor off.
Load bearing right there. But that would compensate it and take its place if you took that out, but you don't want to do that. Let's get the top off first and work our way down.
Okay, and then all this wood we just took out is going in the burn pile because it's super brittle and bad.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can tell how uneven the floor is.
What? This floor is straight.
was built right on top of the ground. Get this. There's no foundation. And we're wondering if there's a body underneath, because remember, this was an FBI raid. So remember, okay, so Jesse has a theory that the reason why these boards are not just nailed, they are screwed and glued. So we're wondering, when we tear it up, are we gonna find bones?
We might find a whole slew of things in here that we're not expecting. Or really expecting, but not really here for. I can't handle it, man. I can't handle it.
We will find out.
What's this? Big old anchor bolt.
That could have been another injury.
Yeah.
You could have hit me with that. On a funny note, it's about 9:30. We started at about, what, 7, you think? Okay, I have stabbed myself with a rusty nail. Pretty sure I have had my tetanus shot recently. I have stepped off a cliff. Let's see. Whoops, let me turn this around so you can see. Backing up, carrying the counter for the cabinet with the sink.
That's why you don't bring the office lady out to the workplace.
Hey! I stepped off of that, almost broke my ankle. And then if that's not enough, let me show you why you have to be careful when you're off grid. Hang on. Do you see this board? Well, it's because it is holding a secret. We discovered this giant pipe that goes way deep. Tractor can't even pull it up. We think it's a ground rod that goes underground for a couple feet. Well, guess who backed into it this morning while filming the intro for this video? So far this morning, I've stabbed myself, tripped myself, and tried to break an ankle. So one of the lessons learned this morning, we hope you learn, is be careful, because we're way far away from medical help. So I better watch where my feet go. Okay, they're gonna start taking out this window, but there's a giant bee's nest up there. Oh man. I'm inside the truck where it's safe. Oh man. Okay. You guys can't hear him, but he said that they're gonna spray the other window, let it dry, and then they'll come back. Oh man. He's going up.
Oh, we got a live one right there.
It's been about an hour.
There's a live one right there. He's thinking, you're the one. Be nice. Here, I'm gonna smash another one. Okay, this might be a little sketchy. He's watching it.
I should go back in the house. This is me watching them. I'm safe. So scary. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see the bees flying around him? Okay, we're gonna put these mosquito coils up in the loft of the cabin because they worked really well when we did the outhouse. Okay, Jesse, these coils are smoking. See if it'll calm the bees down. So Jesse took those smokers up in there, and he's up there with the bees. Oh my gosh. Oh Jesus, please don't let him get stung.
One on your arm, Jesse. Okay.
Oh, there was a bee on his arm?
Yeah, it was a squirrely one. It was moving around.
Did you get stung?
Huh?
Did he get stung?
No, I was just
Okay,
good. In fact, we just woke it up. Like this whole thing is nothing but bees. Not anymore.
Oh man. Now they have to come to this side of the cabin and get that window out. Those are woodpecker holes?
Yeah. Oh, just popped us.
Good job, you guys.
Yep. Oh, it's still lighter than the other one. Is it? Yeah. It's still
Hey, we only have one window left, and it's lunchtime.
window schmindow.
And we were thinking maybe we should take a chance.
One more schmindow way. Do you look pretty?
I think not.
Here we go. Just grab a hold. Best by March 6, 2008.
2008.
Yeah, March 2008.
Well, now we know the last time somebody lived here.
Yeah, well, that was Best Buy, so
Oh yeah, so they would have been even
Yeah.
before that.
yeah, it means this has been here for a while. It's been here for a good while. I'm gonna hang on to these screws and keep them moving. Got it? Yeah. Hinges on it. Yeah. We're ready.
We'll put that over there where the rest of them are, and I'm going to put these screws where I know where they are.
Okay, it's lunchtime. So we've been at this 5 hours.
Wow.
Good.
We got a lot done in 5 hours.
Ready to
Holy moly, look at this. Thanks to my son-in-law coming and helping. Windows are out. The floor, all the wood is removed. The upstairs windows are out. This is pretty impressive. Yeah, we're gonna tear down we're gonna cut. We are going to empty out the inside of the cabin, tear out some cut. We are going to cut. Get back to milling some wallboard with our Alaskan chainsaw mill. And that was a Bible verse that just popped up on my phone because I forgot to turn it on airplane mode. So we are learning. Good morning, YouTube friends and family. Take 3. We have big news to tell you. We sold our city house and now we are moving full-time in time. So if you're new to our channel, then you'll know, then you wouldn't know. This is like take 4, so there's a lot of bloopers. So I hope you enjoy this. So, hello YouTube. I just broke my ankle. Now, but I like the first video I did. I think I'm just gonna keep that.